Good morning, students. We are continuing with our next lecture of decimal. The topic name is like and unlike decimals. So, like decimals are those, suppose this is a decimal number and this decimal is having 2 digits after the decimal, and this is also having 2 digits after the decimal. So, it comes in the category of like decimals. And there are, suppose these are the two numbers. Here 2 digits are there after the decimal, here 3 digits are there after the decimal. So it comes in the category of unlike decimals. So now you should know what is a like decimal and what is unlike decimal. So there is a question, you have to convert unlike decimal into like decimals. So it's a category of questions which would come. So just see this exercise number 35. Question number first. Convert each of the following unlike into like decimals. There is a sum number C. Please look at the C sum. 3.52, 7.631, that means next number 1.5734. So these are the three numbers. First, they are unlike. You have to convert into like decimals. 2 digits after the decimal, 3 digits after the decimal, 4 digits after the decimal. So it's unlike. If you want to convert it to like decimal, just place the number with more number of digits after the decimal. As such it is. Place this number as such it as. Here there are 3 digits. You have to get 4 digits after the decimal. Place 1 0. Okay, there is no math says there will be no change if you place 0 after the decimal. 3.52, place 2 zeros. Here 4 digits are there, here 4 digits are there, here 4 digits are. Now it has changed into the like decimal category. So if you want to convert unlike to like, you just have to place zeros at the back of a number. First you have to identify a number which is having maximum number of digits after the decimal. So there is a question number second. Compare by writing greater, less or equal to in box. You will be given two numbers like this and this. You have to check whether this number is greater or whether this number is greater, or either they are equal to each other. You have to check that. So look at the C part. There is C part is there now. C part says 32.907 box 32.907. So first check whether they are like decimals or unlike decimals. Here 3 digits are there after the decimal, 3 digits are there after the decimal. Here write the numbers one above the one below, one above the each other. Just compare all the digits. Here 3 is there, here 3 is there. Here 2 is there, here 2 is there. Here 9 is there, 9 is there. 0 is there, 0 is there. So every digit is equal to. So all the digits in this number, they are equal to all the digits in this number. So they are equal to each other. Okay, like this you have to follow. And there is a F part. Please take a look at the F part. 48.76 box 31.57. So here is a F part. So you just check whether they are like or unlike. They are the like decimals. Write one number above and write one number below. Decimal below decimal, then digits after the decimal, digit prior the decimal. You check it's 48, it's 31. 48 is bigger or 38 is bigger? 48 is bigger, you know, and 38 is smaller. So 48 is bigger than the. So what we are doing here, we are comparing the two numbers. So question number third is there. Here they are saying we arrange in ascending order. So what is this ascending order? Smaller, then bigger, then more bigger number, then more bigger number. This is ascending order. You just see the A part. there is a part is there now, 20 C part, you look at the C or C part, 15.312. okay, there is 15.312 comma 11.325 comma 25.736 comma 35.853. so these are the four numbers. You have to place them in ascending order. First check they are like or unlike. 3 digits after the decimal, 3 digits after the decimal, 3 digits after the decimal, and 3 digits after the decimal. 15.312, 11.325, 25.736, 35.853. so they are the like decimals. So which is smaller? 11 is smaller. Then from 11 15 is bigger, and from 15 25 is bigger, and from 25 35 is bigger. You have to place smaller number at the front. 11.325 is a smaller number. Then from 11 15.312 is bigger, then 25.736 is bigger, and then 35.853 is a bigger. So this is the answer. You have placed all the numbers in the ascending order. And there is a question number 4th. You have to arrange them in descending order. Descending order. So what is there in descending order? You will place a larger number, then a smaller number, then more smaller number, then more, and then the smallest, like this. You just have a look at the D part. There is a D part, very important. D part says 6.606 comma 60.00 comma 60.60 comma 60.060. So what is there? You just check whether they are like decimals or unlike decimals. 606, that means 3 digits after the decimal, 2 digits after the decimal, 2 digits, no, they are unlike. First convert them to like. So 3 digits, we will not change it. So 2 digits are there, you will have to place 1 0. Here also 2 digits, place 1 0. And here already 3 digits, no need to change anything. Write first number, then write second number. Point here, point means 0 0 0, and before decimal 60 is there. Similarly write third number 600 and here 60, and write fourth number 0 60 and 60. Now check, this is 6, this is the smallest number, very smallest. Okay, this is also 60, this is also 60, this is also 60, all are 60 na? So they are equal. But no, here it's 0 0 0, that means 0. Here it is 600, here is 0 60 means 60. So 600 is greater, 60 is less than 600, and 0 0 0 is less than 60, and this is the smallest. So the biggest number is this 60.600. It is the biggest. Now you will place a symbol like this, and the smallest from this number is this number 60.060, and then third number 60.000, and fourth number 06.606. So this is the answer. You have to place bigger number, then smaller, then more smaller, then more smaller. So this is the criteria you have to do this exercise. Okay, so in this way we are doing this exercise. And next concept is page number 85. There is addition of decimals is there. One part is of addition and one part is of subtraction. is there. Suppose you have given two decimals, okay, like this. You know this is not a like decimal. Okay, write first decimal. Okay, then write second decimal, point below point, then the digits after the point, and then digits before the point. And where there is no digit, place 0. Then add it. 7 plus 0 is 7. 6 plus 3 9. 5 plus 2 7. 8 plus 4 is 12. So this is the answer. And in subtraction, they will write subtract 7.53 from 12.465. They will write like this. We subtract this number from this number. The number from which we have to subtract, we have to write upwards. And the which number we have to subtract, we have to write downwards. Okay. Here you will write 0. Here you will write 0. Subtract it. 5 minus 0 is 5. 6 minus 3 is 3. And you know here it's a 4. You will make it as 14. 14 minus 5 is 9. Here it is 1. Okay. And it would become 11. 11 minus 7 is 4. So this is the answer. So remember this criteria, how you are going to subtract two decimal numbers and how you are going to add two decimal numbers. Exercise number 36. Question number first. Note down the question number first. Here is a B part is there. No? B part, question number first. 27.81, comma 12.405, comma 8. So there are three numbers. You have to add them. First write this number 27.81. From the second number, write point below point. Then 405, and before point 12 is there, write 12. Here there is no point. Point lies after 8. That means like this. No number is there, write 0. No number, 0, 0, 0, 0. Add them. 0, 5, 0, 5. 1, 0, 0 add 1. 8, 4 add 12. 7, 2, 9. 9, 1, 10. 10, 1, 8, 18. 2, 1, 3, 3, 1, 4. So this is the answer. So addition is very simple. You can do that. Now question number second is there. Subtract. Subtract the following. So you will get a game from this F part. We will practice. Subtract. The sum says subtract 6.953 from 15.732. So there is a number 15.732. You have to subtract this number. Okay, I've told you, but you have to write this below and this upward. So here is no number, you can write 0. From 2 we can't subtract 3, it would become 12. From 12 it is 9, and here it would become 2. From 2 we can't subtract 5, it would become 12. 7. Okay, it would become 6. And what it would become? 16. So it would become 7. Okay, it would become 4. And 1, 4, 14. 14 means 8. So this is the answer. So if you know the subtraction rules, you can do that. It's very easy. There is a question number third. Simplify. So simplify is there. A part is there. 532.107 plus 18.715 plus 3.251 minus 8.437. First you will add these two numbers. The answer of this you will add with this, and the answer of all these three you will subtract from this number. Write like this: 532.107. Add this number. Point means point. After point 715. Before point, before decimal, 18 is there. So you can add this also. 0.251, and before decimal it's 3. Now place 0 here, place 0 here, place 0 here. 7, 5, 12, 1, 30. 5, 1, 6, 1, 7. 7, 1, 8, 8, 2, 10. 8, 3, 11. 11, 1, 12, 12, 2, 14. 3, 1, 4, 4, 1, 5. And this. So this is the answer of these three. Now the sum will become 554.076. So this is the answer of all these three numbers. Now it will become minus 8.437. This would come here. So subtract this 554.073. Subtract it. 4378. Subtract it. It would become 13. It would become 6. Here it is 6. 6 minus 3, 3. Okay. It would become 10. 10 from 4, 6. Okay. It would become 3. 3 means 1, 3. It would become 5. It would become 4. So it would be 4. And here would be 5. So this would be the answer. So these are the concepts. With this we are stopping our lecture here. Thank you and have a nice day.